Hello guys, hope you are fine and taking good care of your health. Welcome to this video. In previous lecture, we complete over exercise 7.1 and in this video we are solving exercise 7.2. Before starting exercise 7.2, we discussed what we have to do in this exercise. Question number 1 is of fill in the blanks and you can easily solve themselves. So this is assignment for you. Solve the fill in the blanks yourself. Now we are solving question number 2. That is an important question. Question number 2. In question number 2, we are solving short syllabus questions, and short syllabus questions are part number 3, part number 8, part number 5 and part number 7, and part number 5 and 7 are in homework and part number 3 and 8 are in classwork. So today we are solving part number 3 and 8. Part number 3. Its part number 3 is 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5 mod is equal to 11. These straight lines are known as mod and it always gives positive value. In other words, it changes negative value into positive value, but it does not change positive value remain positive value. So here 2x plus 5 mod, and when we remove mod we write plus and minus. 2x plus 5. Now when I remove mod I write here plus and minus is equal to 11. One time I write it positive like this, 2x plus 5 is equal to 11. One time I write it negative like this, minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 11. Now from here we can find the value of x. 2x is equal to 11 minus 5. X is equal to 11 minus 5 is equal to 6 over 2, that is equal to 3. Now here I shift minus sign to the right side of equal. 2x plus 5 is equal to minus 11. Now I shift plus 5 on the right side of equal and here I get minus 11 minus 5. Now x is equal to minus 16 over 2 and here I get the value of x, that is minus 8, and this is part number 3 of question number 2. So this is part number 3 of question number 2. Now we are solving its part number 8. Its part number 8 is x plus 5, x plus 5 over 2 minus x mod is equal to 6. Okay. Now you know that when we have to solve mod question, we convert it into, we write one time positive, one time negative. X plus 5 over 2 minus x. You can also write plus minus with 6. You have to put plus minus either on the left side or on the right side. But here if we put on the left side we feel difficulty to solve this question, so I put plus minus on the right side of equal. So here One time I write positive x plus 5 over 2 minus x is equal to 6, and one time I write negative. So I write here x plus 5 over 2 minus x is equal to minus 6. First of all I write this question, then I write this question. First of all I write right hand side, then I write first of all I write this side and then I solve this side. Okay, now here x plus 5 is equal to minus 6. 2 minus x here is dividing, it will be multiply on the right side of equal, so I write here 2 minus x. Okay, now here x plus 5 is equal to minus plus minus 6 to the 12 minus minus plus, here I get 6x. Okay, now here I shift 6x on the left side of equal, and here I get x minus 6x is equal to minus 12 minus 5. Here I get minus 5x is equal to minus 17. Minus minus cancel out, and here x is equal to 17 over 5. Okay, this is the solution of this equation, and here we get the value of x, that is 17 over 5. Now I am solving this side, that is positive 6. X plus 5 is equal to 6 multiplying with 2 minus x. Here I get x plus 5 is equal to 6 multiplied by 2. Here I get 12 minus 6x. Okay, now I shift minus 6x on the left side of equal. Here I get x plus 6x is equal to 12 minus 5. Here I get 7x is equal to 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Now we can easily find the value of x. Here I write x is equal to 7 over 7, and x is equal to 7, cancel out 7. I find the value of x is equal to 1. This is the answer. And now we done our classwork, short syllabus questions of exercise 7.1. You have to solve question number part number 5 and part number 7 yourself, and also there is assignment of fill in the blanks. Okay, now we are solving exercise 7. Now we are solving exercise 7.3, and short syllabus. First of all, mark the short syllabus questions of exercise 7.3. Exercise 7.3 short syllabus questions are question number 1, part number 2, question number 2, part number 3. This is classwork short syllabus question, and homework short syllabus questions are question number 1, part number 4, question number 2, part number 4. So first of all, we solve question number 1, part number 2. So question number 1, part number 2, open your textbook, page number 141. Its part number 2 is 4x minus 10.3 less than equal to 21x, and then minus 1.8. Okay, now here we have to, this is inequality, because here there is a sign of less than and equal. So now here we have to find the value of x or solve this inequality. So first of all, I shift 21 on the left side of inequality. Here I get 4x minus 21x less than equal to minus 1.8 plus 10.3. Okay, so 4x minus 21x is equal to minus 17x less than equal to. Now we subtract minus 1.8 plus 10.3. You can easily calculate it with your calculator. So now 1.8 minus 1.8, 10.3 minus 1.8 is equal to 8.5. So here I can write 8.5. So 8.5. X less than equal to minus 17 will be divided on the right side of equal 8.5 minus here 17. Okay, as one digit is in point, so we give answer in point. 8.5 divided by 17 is equal to 0.5. So x is less than equal to 0.5. As x less than equal to 0.5, this is the answer, okay, of part number 2, question number 1. Now I am solving its part number question number 2, part number 3. So here question number 2, part number 3. Okay, now question number 2, part number 3 is minus 6 less than x minus 2 over 4 less than 6. You can see there are using two inequalities here, one is here and second is here. Okay, so if there are two inequalities in an equation, you can break them into two parts like this: minus 6 less than x minus 2 by 4 and x minus 2 over 4 less than 6. From here you can find the value of x. Also you can solve it in a single question like this: minus 6 less than x minus x minus 2 by 4 less than 6. I am solving this question jointly. You can solve it separately like this, but if we solve it jointly, this is easy to solve. This here 4 is dividing, it will be multiply on both sides like this. यहाँ पर जो 4 है वो यहाँ पर भी multiply होगा, it will also multiply on here. So here I multiply minus 4 on both sides. Minus 6 multiplied by 4 less than x minus 2 less than 6 multiplied by 4. Okay, minus 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to minus 24 less than x minus 2 less than plus 24. Now also minus 2 will be added on the both sides of inequalities because it is because x minus 2 is sandwiched between two layers. Okay, minus 24 minus 2 will be shift on the first of all here, and then it will be shift on here, and it will be added on both sides. Okay, x, sorry, here I write plus 2. Okay, then x is less than 24 plus 2. Okay, here I get minus 22 less than x less than 24 plus 2 is equal to 26, and this is the answer. X is between minus 22 and plus 26. Okay, so now in this exercise we done exercise 7.2 and 7.3. now we are solving its review exercise. So let's see what are the short syllabus question in review exercise. So first of all we mark the short syllabus question, then we solve review exercise. Now we are solving review exercise, short syllabus question. Its first short syllabus question is question number 1, that is of MCQ. You can easily solve if you learn chapter number 7 properly. Okay, now we are solving its question number 3, part number 1, that is a short syllabus question. So in question number 3, part number 1, question number 3, part number 1, define a linear inequality. In this we have to define linear inequality. Okay, equality. So we define it. It's defined at page number 139 of your textbook. I write here a linear inequality in one variable x. A linear inequality in one variable x is an inequality in which the variable x occurs only to the first power and we can write it like this: ax plus b less than 0. Here a is not equal to 0. If I write a is equal to 0, then it will not be an linear inequality because it convert into a constant term. When I put a is equal to 0, 0 multiplied by x is equal to 0, and only we get b, that is a constant term, so it will be changed into a constant term. That's why we cannot put a is equal to 0. That's why we must write here a is not equal to 0. This is the definition of linear inequality. Now we are solving question number 5. That is also included in short syllabus question. Question number 5, part number 1. Okay, question number 5. And part number 1. Question number 5, part number 1 is 3x. Here I write mod 3x plus 14 mod minus 2 is equal to 5x is equal to 5x. Okay. If we want to remove mod, it will only on the left side of equal, and all other terms will be on the right side of equal. Then we can open this. We can also open, but we have difficulty. That's why first of all I shift to minus 2 on the right side of equal, and here I get 5x plus 2. Okay. Now here there is mod. When we remove mod, we write plus minus sign here. 3x plus 14 is equal to 5x plus 2. Okay. Now first time I write positive like this: 3x plus 14 is equal to 5x plus 2. One time I write negative 3x plus 14 is equal to 5x plus 2. Okay, now here 3x plus 5x become minus 5x on the left side of equal, and here I get minus 14 plus 2. Here I get minus 3x is equal to minus 12, minus cancel out. 3x is equal to 12, x is equal to 12 by 3, 3 1 the 3, 3 4 the 12, x is equal to 4. This is the answer of x. Okay. Now here minus will be multiplied on the inner side of 3x plus 14, minus 3x minus 14 is equal to 5x plus 2. I shift 5x on the left side of equal, minus 3x minus 5x is equal to plus 2 plus 14, that is equal to 16 minus 8x. X is equal to 10 minus 8, and here I get x is equal to 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10. Oh sorry, this is not 10, this is 16. Sorry. Again. This is 16. Okay. minus 8x is equal to 16. Okay, x is equal to 16 minus 8, and in the last we get the answer minus 2. There are two answers of x, that is 4 and minus 2. So I hope you understand it properly and solve them properly, and now we complete over chapter number 7. Inshallah we will start chapter number 8 in next video. Allah Hafiz.